So grab your pencils and let हमारे साथ हमारा trusty we will do the same on this short journey. So please don't forget. Namaste दोस्तों, welcome to our art journey where we are diving deep into the memorizing world of Lord Krishna. आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं हमारे कृष्ण जी की सीरीज का पहला हिस्सा. In the first part, I will create the enchanting outline of Lord Krishna by using just a pencil. हमारी इस सीरीज का मकसद है कि हम आपको एक सुंदर चित्र के माध्यम से हमारी संगति से जोड़ें. तो बिना देर किए चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. But before we begin, please remember to hit that like button if you love art as much as we do, and subscribe to stay tuned for the next exciting parts of the series. Our target is 100 likes. Whenever we hit the target, I will upload the second part. So grab your pencils and let's embark on this creative journey together. But we are not alone in this creative journey. हमारे साथ हमारा trusty reference image भी रहेगा. So for today's masterpiece, हमें जो चीज़ें चाहिए वो हैं pencil, scale और एक eraser. It's so easy, right? Now here is the secret ingredient, the grid method. ये grid method हमारे artwork का GPS का काम करेगा. We will start by marking points, मतलब कि हम points को mark करेंगे, जैसे 2 सेंटीमीटर पे, 4 सेंटीमीटर पे, 6 सेंटीमीटर पे, 8 सेंटीमीटर पे और 28 सेंटीमीटर तक हम मार्क करते जाएंगे. And we will do the same on the short side by using the 2, 4, 6 technique. Now with the help of our trusty scale, we will connect the dots with crisp horizontal and vertical lines ताकि जो हमारे बॉक्स हैं वो प्रॉपरली बन जाएं. और उसके बाद हम अपने ग्रिड पे मार्किंग भी कर देंगे जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ पे किया है. Now let's zoom in and make sure our reference image grid matches the size of the grid on our page. मतलब कि हमारे reference image का grid का size और हमारे page पे grid का size same होना चाहिए. Now with our grid set, we can start sketching from any box you like. Now enjoy the music. A small request for all you wonderful viewers. If you are enjoying this creative journey, so please don't forget to click the subscribe button and be a part of our art community. तो चलिए अपनी इस फैमिली को ग्रो करते हैं. And there you have it, our magnificent artwork is complete. So don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the process, and please consider subscribing for more creative adventures. Thank you for joining me today. Keep creating and keep smiling. The next part is coming soon. Bye bye.